Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get Metro Bank statement on app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is simply access your Metro Bank on your browser and simply get into their official website and sign in as well. Afterwards, all you have to do is tap on this search icon and tap on this help option given on top. And here in this section, ask us a question, tap on it and simply type in statement and simply search it up. Upon doing that, you will get lots of search results. You can see where can I find my statement. Once you have done so, all you have to do is tap on it. And here in the section to download your statement in your internet banking is that log into your personal business internet banking platform. Click on the account that you would like to. Click document, click account statement, select which year statement you would want, click view for the month you would like to see. You can see and download your statement. You can see, please make sure any pop-up blockers are switched off. For that, you have to do that from your browser itself, but if you would like to do it from your app, is it not quite possible and not available for that? You can see to order a statement over the phone, you can choose that. You can simply call them on this particular number as over here, or you can choose to dial another number if you can't reach them on the other first one, and then you can simply call them. And you have to make sure, as it has mentioned here in this note, the statement can take up to 5 to 7 working days to receive in the post. So for that, you can do that. You can simply choose to sign into your online banking from your app and simply follow the steps as it has mentioned over here, and you can do it, but from the app you can't. So that is it for this video, guys. Make sure to do all of the steps accordingly and you're good to go. That is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.